Hey everyone, Linus here. Today, we're diving into the world of Telegram mining bots. These little helpers live on Telegram, your favorite messaging app. They can give you instant updates about your cryptocurrency mining. No more constantly checking websites, just pure, streamlined information. So why use a Telegram mining bot? Imagine this. You're away from your computer, but you want to check how your mining rig is doing. Just pull out your phone, open Telegram, and bam. Your bot gives you all the stats. Hash rate, temperature, earnings, it's all there. These bots aren't just about convenience. They can also send you alerts. If your mining pool goes down or your hash rate drops, your bot will let you know immediately. That way you can fix problems fast and keep those coins coming. Before we jump into building our bot, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as building a PC. Here's what we'll need. First, you'll need a Telegram account. If you don't have one, download the Telegram app and sign up. It's super easy. Next, we'll be using Python to write the bot's brain. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language. Don't worry if you've never coded before. We'll walk through it together. Finally, we'll need to talk to our mining pool. Most mining pools have what's called an API. This lets our bot grab data about our mining activity. We'll be using the API to get those sweet stats. All right, let's create our bot. Telegram has a handy bot called BotFather. It's like the godfather of all Telegram bots. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Start a chat with BotFather and type /newbot. It will ask you for a name and username for your bot. Be creative. Once you've chosen, BotFather will give you a unique token. This token is like your bot's password, so keep it safe. With the token in hand, we're ready to start coding our bot's functionality. Don't worry, the fun is just beginning. Now, let's set up our coding workshop. We'll need to install Python and a few extra tools. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. First, download Python from the official website and install it. Choose the version that matches your computer. Next, we'll install a library called Python Telegram Bot. This library will help our bot understand and talk to Telegram. You can install it by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing pip install Python Telegram Bot. That's it. We now have all the tools to start writing our bot's code. Section 5, your first lines of bot code. Time to write some code. Open your favorite text editor or IDE. Let's start with a simple bot that responds to a command. First, we'll import the Python Telegram bot library. Then we'll create a function that will handle messages sent to our bot. This function will check if the message is /start. If it is, the bot will reply with, "Hello, miner." Finally, we'll start the bot using our bot token and tell it to listen for messages. Python import Telegram from telegram.ext import updater. Command handler def start, update context. Media, close-up of Python code snippet. Computer screen showing Python code with Telegram library and bot function. Updater =updater, your bot token, use _context =true, updater. Dispatcher, add handler, command handler, start, updater dot, start _polling, updater dot idle. Section 6, talking to mining pools. Our bot can now say hello, but we want it to do more. Let's connect it to our mining pool. We'll be using the mining pool's API to get data. Most mining pools have documentation on their API. This documentation tells us how to access the data we need. It will include things like the API endpoints and what information each endpoint provides. We'll be using Python's requests library to send requests to the API. This library makes it easy to communicate with web services. We can install it by typing pip install request in our command prompt or terminal. Now we can start fetching data from our mining pool and use it in our bot. Section 7, getting data from your mining pool. Let's get some real-time mining data. We'll use the requests library to send a request to our mining pool's API. For this example, let's say our mining pool API has an endpoint called /user/stats that gives us our hash rate. We can send a GET request to this endpoint using our API key, which is usually provided by the mining pool. Python import requests URL =/api.miningpool.com/user/stats params =API your _API _key response =request get URL params =params data =response.json hashrate =data hashrate print if your hashrate is hashrate. We can then integrate this code into our Telegram bot. When a user sends a command like /hashrati, the bot can fetch the data from the API and send it back to the user. Section 8. Keeping your bot running. We've got a working bot, but it only runs on our computer. What if we close our laptop? Don't worry, we can deploy our bot to a server so it runs 24/7. There are many cloud services that offer server hosting, such as Heroku, Python, Anywhere, and AWS. These platforms allow us to upload our code and keep it running continuously. Each platform has its own deployment process, so check out their documentation for detailed instructions. Once deployed, our bot will be accessible to anyone on Telegram anytime. Section 9. Making your bot secure and reliable. Security is crucial, especially when dealing with crypto. Never share your bot token or API keys publicly. Anyone with these keys could control your bot or access your mining data. It's also a good practice to implement error handling in your code. This ensures that if something unexpected happens, like the mining pool API going down, your bot won't crash. Finally, always keep your bot's code updated. This includes updating libraries and fixing any potential security vulnerabilities. Section 10. Important things to remember. We've covered a lot today. Remember, building a Telegram mining bot is a learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and functionalities. Always be mindful of the security of your bot and your API keys. Keep your code updated and follow best practices for secure coding. Finally, be aware of the legal implications of using bots and accessing cryptocurrency data in your region. Stay informed and make responsible choices. Now go out there and build some awesome bots. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.